Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 powerful chainsaws for easy wood cutting and pruning, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. SEESII 8-inch Brushless Electric Chainsaw. SEESII's 8-inch brushless electric chainsaw offers a cordless and compact design for easy handling. Powered by a Makita 18V battery, this mini chainsaw is ideal for pruning, gardening, and small woodcutting tasks, featuring a high-performance brushless motor that ensures efficient power without unnecessary noise. Advantages of this chainsaw are lightweight and portable, efficient brushless motor, compatible with Makita batteries. Disadvantages of this chainsaw are limited to smaller woodcutting tasks. Requires Makita battery, not included. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. PATUOPRO 12-inch Brushless Electric Chainsaw. The PATUOPRO 12-inch brushless electric chainsaw combines power and convenience with its cordless operation and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries. Designed for woodwork and gardening, this tool offers a robust, brushless motor that provides long-lasting performance in a user-friendly design. Advantages of this chainsaw are strong 12-inch cutting capacity, durable brushless motor, battery-powered for portability. Disadvantages of this chainsaw are heavier than smaller models, battery not included. At number 3. 6-inch Mini Cordless Electric Chainsaw. This 6-inch Mini Cordless Electric Chainsaw is compact yet powerful, making it perfect for light-duty tasks like pruning and small garden landscaping projects. Designed to work with a Makita 18V battery, this chainsaw is lightweight and easy to maneuver for precision cuts in tight spaces. Advantages of this chainsaw are ultra-lightweight design, ideal for tight spaces and precise cuts, easy battery compatibility. Disadvantages of this chainsaw are not suited for larger trees, limited cutting capacity. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Makita 18V Brushless Chainsaw 8-inch. This handheld, brushless chainsaw is designed for easy, portable use in small logging or pruning tasks. With an 8-inch cutting bar and compatibility with the Makita BL1830 battery, it's a convenient tool for users who need quick, effective cutting on the go. Advantages of this chainsaw are compact and portable, ideal for light logging tasks, efficient brushless motor. Disadvantages of this chainsaw are smaller bar size limits cut width, battery not included. At number 1. NEWONE 12-in-1 Chainsaw Attachment. The NEWONE 12-in-1 chainsaw is a versatile tool with an attachment system that functions as a drill, reciprocating saw, and chainsaw. Compatible with Makita tools, this unique chainsaw attachment is great for users who need multifunctional capability in a single device. Advantages of this chainsaw are multi-purpose attachment, saves space with one-tool versatility, compatible with other Makita tools. Disadvantages of this chainsaw are less powerful than dedicated chainsaws, only an attachment, not a complete tool.